Let me give you a closer look at this heavy-duty storage shelving unit that was gifted to us in exchange for our feedback. It does come disassembled, but it's pretty straightforward to put together. The shelves are made with MDF boards, and there are 5 shelves total that you can space however you want. The height of each shelf is adjustable, so you can easily make room for larger items or smaller storage bins depending on what you're organizing. The shelves are removable. They're made from 5mm thick MDF boards, and they simply sit into the metal frame so you can easily lift them out if needed. Each shelf can hold up to about 500 pounds with a total capacity of around 2,500 pounds. So it's great for heavier items, any tools, storage bins, or even some garage equipment. One thing I like about this design is that it uses a snap-together system, so you don't need screws or complicated tools to assemble it, and the instructions are simple to follow, and you can even split the unit into 2 smaller shelves if that works better for your space. Definitely check it out.